Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 3, Lesson 15, and today we're looking at a special kind of verb that doesn't run, jump, or shout. It doesn't show action at all. Instead, it quietly links the subject to a word that renames or describes it. These are called linking verbs, and the words they point to are called predicate nouns and predicate adjectives. By the end, you'll spot them in a heartbeat. Let's take a look. Let's start with a big idea. Not every verb shows action. Some verbs do a quieter job. They simply link. A linking verb shows no action at all. Instead, it connects the subject to a word in the predicate that either renames the subject or describes it. Think of a linking verb as an equals sign sitting in the middle of the sentence. On the left is the subject. On the right is the word that tells you what the subject is, or what it is like. The verb just holds the two sides together. So, which verbs are linking verbs? The most common ones are the forms of the verb to be. You already know them: am, is, are, was, and were. Their longer cousins count too: will be, has been, and had been. Whenever you see a form of to be standing between a subject and a describing or renaming word, it is almost certainly linking the two together. These little verbs rarely show action. They almost always just link. The verb to be is not the only linker. A whole group of other verbs can link as well, and many of them involve the senses. Watch these: look, sound, smell, taste, and feel. Add a few more: appear, become, grow, remain, and seem. And two others: stay and turn. Here's a handy test for this group. Try swapping the verb for is or seems. If the sentence still makes sense, the verb is linking. We'll come back to that test near the end, because these verbs can be tricky. Now, what exactly does a linking verb connect the subject to? Sometimes it connects to a predicate noun. A predicate noun is a noun that follows a linking verb and renames the subject. It tells you what the subject is. Look here. My aunt is a pilot. The word is links my aunt to the word pilot. And notice, pilot renames my aunt. They are the very same person. So pilot is the predicate noun. You can almost picture an equal sign. Aunt equals pilot. Other times, the linking verb connects the subject to a predicate adjective instead. A predicate adjective follows a linking verb and describes the subject. It tells what the subject is like. Here's one: the soup smells delicious. The verb smells links the soup to the word delicious, and delicious describes the soup. It tells us what the soup is like. So delicious is a predicate adjective. Notice the verb smells is not an action here. The soup isn't doing any smelling. It is simply linking. Let's make this crystal clear with a trick. Every linking verb can be swapped for an equal sign in your mind. Take Maria is the captain. Replace is with an equal sign, and you get Maria equals captain. And that's true, so is linking. Try another. The lake was calm. Replace was with an equal sign. Lake equals calm. That works too. So here's the shortcut. If you can drop an equal sign in place of the verb and the sentence still rings true, that verb is a linking verb. One more wrinkle, and it's an easy one. The word after a linking verb can double up. Look at this. The old bridge is rusty and unsafe. There's one linking verb, is, but it points to two predicate adjectives, rusty and unsafe. That's called a compound predicate adjective. The same thing happens with nouns. Our coach is a teacher and a mentor. One verb, is, linking to two predicate nouns, teacher and mentor. So don't be surprised when a single linking verb reaches out to more than one word on the right. Here's the part that trips people up. A few verbs like look, feel, grow, taste, and smell can be action verbs in one sentence and linking verbs in another. Compare these two. The chef tasted the sauce. There, tasted is an action. The chef is actually doing something. But now, the sauce tasted spicy. This time, nothing is acting. The sentence is just describing the sauce, so tasted is linking. How do you tell them apart? Use our test. Swap in a form of is or the word seems. The sauce seems spicy makes sense, so it's linking. If is or seems fits, the verb is linking. If it doesn't, the verb is showing action. Let's boil it all down into a quick check. First, ask whether the verb is linking rather than acting. Remember the equals sign test. Second, look at the word on the right side and ask what it's doing. If it renames the subject, it's a predicate noun. If it describes the subject, it's a predicate adjective. That's really the whole lesson. The subject equals the predicate word, held together by a linking verb. Let's practice a few together. Time to practice. In this first set, each sentence has a linking verb and a word right after it. Decide whether that word is a predicate noun, which renames the subject, or a predicate adjective, which describes the subject. Pause the video and choose before I reveal the answer. The autumn sky turned orange. The linking verb is turned, and the word after it is orange. Does orange rename the sky or describe it? Orange tells us what the sky looks like, so it describes the sky. That makes it a predicate adjective. So the answer is predicate adjective. Mr. Reyes became our principal. The linking verb is became, and the word after it is principal. Ask, does principal describe Mr. Reyes or rename him? Principal tells us who he is. Mr. Reyes equals principal. That renames him, so it's a predicate noun. So the answer is predicate noun. After the long hike, we felt exhausted. The linking verb here is felt, and the word after it is exhausted. Does exhausted rename us or describe us? It tells how we felt, so it describes us. That makes exhausted a predicate adjective. So the answer is predicate adjective. In this second set, watch the verbs closely. The same verb can be action in one sentence and linking in another. For each one, decide whether the verb is acting or linking. Remember the test. If you can swap in is or seems and it still makes sense, the verb is linking. Pause and decide before I answer. The gardener grew tomatoes all summer. Try the test. The gardener seems tomatoes. That makes no sense. Here, the gardener is actually doing something, growing the tomatoes. So grew is an action verb. So the answer is action verb. The sky grew dark before the storm. Same verb, different job. Try the test. The sky seemed dark. That fits perfectly. Nothing is acting. The sentence just describes the sky. So here, grew is a linking verb. So the answer is linking verb. The fresh bread smelled wonderful. Is the bread doing any smelling? No. Try the test. The bread seemed wonderful. That works. So smelled is linking, and wonderful is a predicate adjective describing the bread. So the answer is linking verb. Let's gather up what we learned. A linking verb doesn't show action. It works like an equal sign, joining the subject to a word in the predicate. When that word renames the subject, it's a predicate noun. When it describes the subject, it's a predicate adjective. And both can double up into compound predicate words. Watch out for verbs like look, feel, taste, and grow. which can act or link depending on the sentence. Just try swapping in is or seems to tell. Great work today in Unit 3, Lesson 15. I'll see you in the next lesson.